Right, let's talk about COVID-19. The spike across Africa with the cases seem not to be dropping anytime soon as the Delta variant spreads all across the region. Now, our correspondent Israel Eforobo is here to tell us more as regards to the Delta variant and the African continent. Israel, good morning. Where do we stand right now?
Yes, indeed. Not in a very good place, Elisa. But good news from some parts of the continent. As let's let you know that Uganda is set to receive at least 12.3 million COVID-19 vaccines by early 2022. The country's health ministry spokesperson, Emmanuel Ainebuna, said the vaccines will be imported in a phased plan. He added that the ministry expects to receive over 286,000 doses of the AstraZeneca in the last week of July, as well as 300,000 doses of the Sinovac donated by China in the same period. Meanwhile, another 688,000 doses of the AstraZeneca are expected in August. Uganda has so far vaccinated over 1 million people since the exercise started in March of this year. Going north of the continent now, military planes from Kuwait and Jordan loaded with medical supplies for combating the COVID-19 pandemic yesterday arrived in the Tunis Carthage International Airport. According to a statement from the presidency, the plane brought to Tunisia 20 tons of oxygen and 400 cylinders, which the country urgently needs. Tunisia is currently going through a new, more dangerous wave of the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic, with an average of more than 500 cases detected per 100,000 persons in about half of the country's 24 provinces. Tunisian Health Ministry on Monday reported over 2,000 new COVID-19 cases, raising the tally in the country to over 548,000, while the death toll from the virus now stands at over 17 million. Well, that's about to the two places on the continent where we're focusing on today. But it's indeed wanted to note that the World Health Organization's the Director General Tedros Ghebreyesus is indeed concerned that some countries, despite having vaccinated the population with 2 doses, are asking for a third. Meanwhile, some other countries are yet to even achieve such a feat. It's trying to let the world know that if some places on the continent and indeed around the world are still battling with the pandemic, then no one actually is safe, even if you have taken the 2 doses of any of the vaccines to combat the virus. Oli.
All right, thank you very much, Israel. We'll continue to follow the latest when it comes to vaccinations around the continent of Africa. But as always, Israel, always on point.
Many thanks, Dan.